If you're thinking about buying a brand new smart TV right now, you may want to hold off for a moment because a major supply chain leak has revealed what could be Apple's most aggressive move into the living room yet. The details are raising serious questions about whether upgrading your television today is actually a smart investment. Before we dive deeper, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Would you ever spend around $300 on a premium streaming box? Apple's rumored Apple TV Pro, expected in 2026, is shaping up to be much more than a simple media device. And while that price tag might sound outrageous at first, the bigger story isn't the hardware itself. It's the financial ripple effect this device could create across the entire home entertainment market. There's also a major software catch tied to the powerful M-series chip reportedly inside this box. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why it can end up costing far more than the sticker price suggests. If you're planning any home theater upgrades, you may want to hear this first. One of the biggest mistakes consumers make today is relying on the built-in software found on modern televisions. Whether it's Samsung, LG, or another major brand, many smart TVs gradually become slower over time as updates pile up, background processes increase, and advertisements become more aggressive. You spend premium money on a high-end OLED display expecting a fast and seamless experience. But the reality is that the process of powering that software experience is often surprisingly modest. This is exactly the weakness Apple appears ready to exploit. Reports suggest the company has been testing prototypes equipped with customized versions of its powerful M-series silicon, bringing desktop-class performance to a device that sits quietly beneath your TV. The obvious question is why a streaming box would ever need that much power. The answer may have less to do with streaming and more to do with changing how you spend your money. Apple seems determined to transform the living room into an ecosystem where traditional gaming consoles become less necessary. Sure, paying significantly more for a streaming device just to watch movies and TV doesn't make much sense on paper. But when you start looking at the long-term value proposition over several years, the conversation changes. Current Apple TV models are capable devices. Yet if an M-series powered successor arrives, the resale value of existing hardware could fall dramatically overnight. Waiting could save consumers from watching their current purchase depreciate far faster than expected. And that's where things get interesting. By combining a powerful processor with advanced cooling technology, Apple could essentially be creating a silent gaming machine. If this device is capable of running high-end games natively at smooth 4K performance, it suddenly enters territory currently occupied by consoles costing considerably more. In that scenario, you're not just buying a streaming box. You're potentially making a decision that could replace an entire future console purchase. Yet the processor upgrade may not be the most surprising part of the leak. The remote control itself could become one of the most expensive and sophisticated accessories Apple has ever bundled with a media device. For years, Apple users have experienced the same frustrating ritual: losing the sleek aluminum Siri remote somewhere inside the couch, and then discovering that replacing it isn't cheap. According to recent reports, Apple may be developing a new Siri Remote Pro equipped with an ultra-wideband chip, allowing precise location tracking through an iPhone. That alone could eliminate one of the most common annoyances Apple TV owners face. However, Apple rarely introduces premium features without attaching premium pricing. Leaked descriptions suggest a remote may also feature a small interactive touch display capable of changing functions depending on what you're doing. Imagine playback controls, audio settings, smart home shortcuts, and other contextual information appearing directly on the remote itself. Suddenly, the accessory becomes far more than a simple controller. When you compare it to high-end universal remotes that often cost hundreds of dollars on their own, Apple's strategy begins to make sense. The company appears to be bundling luxury-level hardware into a single package. Meanwhile, the Apple TV Pro itself is rumored to receive significant design upgrades, including a more refined matte aluminum finish and improved connectivity. Reports point toward support for advanced HDMI standards, high-bandwidth 8K pass-through capabilities, variable refresh rates, and faster networking options. In other words, Apple seems prepared to deliver premium hardware throughout the entire package. But hardware is only half the story. The real costs may emerge through software. Apple's future vision for tvOS reportedly revolves heavily around on-device artificial intelligence. Supply chain reports indicate the company is sourcing memory specifically suited for machine learning workloads, suggesting this device could become far more intelligent than today's streaming boxes. Instead of simply displaying apps, it may learn viewing habits, generate instant sports summaries, recommend content more intelligently, and coordinate smart home automations with minimal delay. For users deeply invested in Apple's ecosystem, those capabilities could dramatically improve the experience of managing connected devices around the home. Cameras could load faster, automation could respond more quickly, and smart home control could feel far more seamless. However, there's an important catch. To fully benefit from these features, users may find themselves upgrading other products as well. Thread and Matter-compatible devices, premium smart locks, advanced security cameras, and additional accessories could become necessary to unlock the ecosystem's full potential. What starts as a $299 purchase could quietly evolve into hundreds of dollars of additional spending. That's the hidden financial trap many consumers fail to recognize. Apple has always excelled at using hardware as the entry point into a larger ecosystem, and this strategy appears no different. Another clue pointing toward Apple's ambitions is the device's reported cooling system. A simple streaming box doesn't require elaborate thermal engineering unless it's expected to handle serious workloads. Reports suggest Apple may be designing cooling solutions capable of maintaining sustained graphics performance over extended gaming sessions. If true, this represents a direct challenge to the traditional console industry. Rather than building a conventional gaming system, Apple may be leveraging its powerful silicon to transform a media device into a serious gaming platform. Yet, that introduces another financial question. Apple Arcade currently offers tremendous value, but if Apple TV Pro becomes a true gaming powerhouse, many industry observers believe the company could introduce a higher-tier subscription specifically designed for premium gaming experiences. That's where the numbers start adding up quickly. A monthly subscription in the $15 to $20 range might not sound extreme, but over several years, those recurring costs could easily surpass the price of the hardware itself. Suddenly, what seemed like a $300 purchase begins approaching four figures in total ownership costs. It's a strategy we've seen elsewhere in the gaming industry, where hardware serves as a gateway to long-term subscription revenue. So what should consumers actually do? Should you buy a budget streaming stick, replace your television, or wait for Apple's next move? If your current TV feels sluggish, replacing the entire display may be unnecessary. Often, the screen itself remains excellent while the software experience falls behind. Adding an external streaming device can dramatically improve performance without spending thousands on a new television. At the same time, purchasing the current Apple TV generation right before a potentially major upgrade could be risky. Based on current production rumors, Apple may be preparing for a reveal sometime next year, making patience a valuable strategy. Buying now could leave owners watching resale values decline the moment a new model is announced. For many people, the smartest move may simply be keeping their existing television and waiting to see how this story develops. The Apple TV Pro could become one of the most expensive streaming devices ever released, and it may encourage additional subscriptions and ecosystem purchases along the way. But if it truly delivers on the rumors, it could also extend the life of your current television for years without requiring a costly display upgrade. And in a strange way, that may be the most effective way to outsmart Apple's own business model. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.